What's up, Queen Divas? Today I am making marbled strawberries. But first, before we get into the video, let me introduce myself. I am the DIY Queen Diva. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, bell button, and like button to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends. Okay, I have my melted white chocolate. I also have my red chocolate, and I have Hobby Lobby Sunny Side Up Bakery Squeeze Gel Color. So you can use gel color and chocolate to make the marble effect. So what I'm doing right now is making lines, and I am going to go across the same lines with black, and then I am going to get my red chocolate and do the same thing to make a marble effect on the strawberry. Now I am going to dip the strawberry in the chocolate and take the strawberry out to get that swirl marble effect. So I am going to repeat the process with several more strawberries so you can see how this works. I am going to drizzle some red chocolate back over the chocolate to make a more marbleized effect. Now I am going to dip my strawberry and dip and swirl it on out. So basically this is just a repeating process. I am going to drizzle red chocolate over my white chocolate and dip the strawberry and swirl it on out. I'm adding red chocolate, dip and swirl it on out. Drizzle red chocolate, drizzle the black food coloring, dip the strawberry and swirl it out. So I am going to apply some gold luster dust by adding the lemon extract. So I am using the fan treat brush, and I am just tapping gold on the strawberry. Now I am going to use a different treat brush just to paint on my gold lines. Again, this is gold luster dust with lemon extract. Okay guys, I am pretty much done here. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and tell your friends and family about my channel, and also share my video. Bye bye.